You're weird. Are you being camera shy? You want Glow Baby to be on camera and not you? Would you like to tell everybody that you're supposed to be eating dinner, but you're not? Can you say hi? Say hi. You're making your funny faces. Super close up. Oh, you're making a funny face. Can you bat your eyelashes? Same. Look at Mom. Can you do this? Do this back. I don't know that Glow Baby likes to be in your eggs. Poor Glow Baby. Same. You want me to hold Glow Baby? You want me to take... Let me see. Thank you. You want back? Can you say hi? Can you wave hi to everybody? Say hi. Good job. You gonna clap? Can you clap? Good job. What are you doing? You clapping? That's a fake cough. Can you give Glow Baby kisses? You giving Glow Baby kisses?